What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're over here with the crew. So what's up, dog? It's like so awkward all the time.
Sorry, I get nervous in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Behind the camera, he doesn't.
Wow.
So for today, let me turn on the light real quick. It's just dark. Can't see shit. Cool. So we're gonna do today is basically for the Mustang. We're gonna try to get some free angles. So by free angle, we mean the wheels are gonna be churning, have a more churning radius. So instead of churning a little bit, it's gonna have more of a churning. So when you're drifting, it'll be easier to control drifting and easier to drift. I'm gonna see if I can see the angle now, then compare it before and after. So I'm gonna see if I could show you guys. All right, let me know when it's all the way. It's all the way. So that's the angle now. So much it is now. Not bad, but we can get a little more with what I'm about to do now. So yeah, basically to get more angle, what you want to do, all I'm about to do is basically in here, and these arms in here, the spacers on both sides, you're gonna want to take those spacers out, and that will give you more angle for free just by doing that. So that's what we're about to do. Okay, so you guys, I don't know where the camera stopped recording. Okay, so now it's recording again for the third time. GoPro's acting stupid. So basically, underneath the boot, you're gonna see the. Let me see what I did. See there? It's like a. See that like that weird ass like clamp looking thing? That's a spacer basically to stop the steering rack from giving you too much angle and the tire rubbing into the frame of the car. So basically you take that out, it'll give you free angle. There's that yellow thing right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I only have the phone holding, so I can't really point it at you guys, but there's that yellow spacer thing. That's what I'm gonna take out now. Basically you pull off the boot from your rack, you pull the boot out, and you basically take the what do you do with the thing? Take that metal ring out in order to pull the boot off. And basically you can put a zip tie to hold that. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. You're gonna do the same thing to both sides. Okay, so the spacers that you take out is right there. Look at this thing. These are the little spacers. Basically they're gonna add like an inch of more angle on both sides. I don't know what the other ones are. And these are the basically what's holding the rack in place. I took both of them out and then I zip tied it. So this is how it looks underneath. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, put everything back already. Zip tied up. So now the angle, I'm gonna show you how much angle it gives. I'm gonna turn the wheel. See how much angle it actually gives you. So here's the. Look at, yeah, it does. Look at that. You can see it, right? Yeah. There's way more angle now. There's still one more thing I could do to get more angle. Is basically cut it, but I'm not gonna do that now because that's a lot of work. Take the rack out, take the steering rack out, and then cut it, and then you get more angle. But that's good. Look at that. See it from the bottom.